Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a seamless pattern. Seamless pattern to me is where you could just keep building on it and make it as long as you want it. I mean, if we took the yellow box away and if we measure this, it's 36 inches across, change our nudge factor to 36, Control D or hit the plus key, so you could just keep going. And then you could take it here and it's 28 inches, so you could change your nudge factor to 28. Hit the plus key in your keyboard and look how big you made something in just a short bit of time. Pretty easy. A little bit of math. I'm going to bring this in, and if you want to use a screenshot, you want to end up with something like this. So we're going to draw a rectangle or a square, and we're going to make it even, about 12 by 12. Then I'm going to draw a rectangle that is unlock the ratio and go 12 by just 1. And I am going to put that right here on that edge. Now I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I could nudge it over, but I'm going to move it over there. Now I'm going to change my nudge factor to 3 inches because I want it equal. So I'm going to nudge that one over and that one over, and they're equal. Now I'm going to grab just one of them, and I am going to build another one. So I'm going to hit Control D. That is, I'm going to unlock my ratio. I want it 12 by 1.5. Grab this, 12 by 1.5. I didn't make a duplicate. Control D. And the second one is 1.5. And you can use your own measurements. You just want them kind of equal. Now we're going to grab these. We're going to group them together. Control G. We're going to Control D to duplicate them, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. That's all you need to do. And then if you'll just follow along with what I'm fixing to do with the virtual segment delete key, I'm going to delete. As you can see, this line is deleted to there. This line is deleted to there. This line is deleted to there. And this line is deleted all the way through. So I think I got it all. If you will group this together, your life will be a lot easier. And then take the Smart Fill tool and just fill in every block. And that's what you have. Now, the reason I grouped the lines together is now I can move them out of the way. I'm going to actually just delete this one. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click, and I am going to group it together, Control G, and I'm going to rotate it. This is what makes it the seamless, rotate it 45 degrees. Now, we need something to cut these edges off, and the best way to do it is really to work in the center of the page. I'm going to hit P. You could do it without, but I'm going to make a don't want to draw a line. I want to make a square, holding down the control button. I'm going to lock my ratio again, and I'm going to make it like 12 by 12, and I'm going to hit P. But you see, I'm a little short from cutting that off, so I'm going to make it 11.5. It doesn't matter. Let's make it 11. We want that cut off. Now, there's a bunch of things you could do, back minus front, front minus back, and weld. But it's so easy to me to group this together. Just use your Smart Fill tool again and fill in the same bars. And you see the triangle or the angle. Now we can grab that box and move it out of the way. Now I am going to, you can left click or right click and take away the outline, but you don't have to. I'm going to Control G to group it, but I don't want it that big. I want it like, I'm going to lock my ratio again. I want it like 4 by 4, or 3 by 3. It doesn't matter. You can make it even 2. Your nudge factor is set on 3. Control D and make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate as many as you want. It's still the square, so Control D and move it down, and you can make as many as you want. Now, you are going to have some little bitty lines. Sometimes you can see them, sometimes you can't, is where the line should be. I'm going to say there's got to be a line like right there. So the best thing to do is once you get your shape that you want, and really you can't see a line. Let's test it out. Let's draw a yellow box. I'm hitting this shift key. I had it all selected. I hit the shift key. It makes a yellow box, or it makes a rectangle around your object. Object order, back a page, and see if we can't see the lines. Right there. Right there, you can see them. So what you need, and it probably wouldn't matter, but what you can do is select the whole thing. It'll take just a second to weld it. And it's having to weld all those parts. And in just a second, it'll be through. And if we take the yellow box now and object order back a page, the line is gone because it's all one piece. And I guess the best way to prove that is grab that and left click no fill, right click outline, and you can see that there's no lines there. It's all the lines that you created. Pretty cool, seamless pattern. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.